Hi.
Hey bro.
How are you doing?
Ay, nothing. Just scrolling.
Just
Finding
scrolling.
up.
Finding what?
Finding someone that
Give you a
Give you?
nothing. Never mind.
You're finding for your Sintal. You're looking for your Sintal?
Yes.
Huh? You have a Sintal already?
Yeah.
What?
What?
Do you have a Sintal?
No.
You don't have? Why? What's wrong?
No.
People in
Don't
the
talk to
Philippines,
me.
people in the Philippines don't see you.
What?
People in the Philippines,
What did I say?
people in the Philippines don't see you. They don't comment
Yeah,
for.
we are purple.
They comment for you.
Yes.
Hey, mahal kita, maganda, kumusta ka? They don't. Nobody.
Wow, do you know how to speak Filipino?
No,
You
no,
speak to
no.
Tagalog?
You speak Tagalog.
Yes.
You know what? You know what? Yeah, bro. What's up, man? Yeah, alright.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Konti-konti.
Kante.
But you know, maganda is beautiful.
Yes, I know maganda is beautiful.
Mabait is, mabait is,
Mabait
Do you
is
know how what is mabait?
mabait.
very,
What? No, no, no.
botay.
What is that? Botay, mabait.
Oh, botay, mabait.
Ang mabait is
Mahoigit.
so...
Itumon.
Ang mabait nakitingtag.
But this is,
Kalbo.
but this is, this is Cebuano
I
or
teach you
Ilocano.
how to Ay,
No, Tagalog.
Mabait. What is mabait? Teach me,
Ano,
teach me, teach me.
mabait is kanang give.
No.
Give.
Mag-search tayo dito.
Ayun lang.
Ano naman tayong ginamit? Pero
What
hindi
is
naman tayo.
Tagalog? You know.
Ang mabait.
I
You
speak.
know, you know.
No.
Na yun, tingnan.
They heard you. They heard you. So stop speaking bad words.
Yes. My friend is gonna speak me in Tagalog.
Okay, tell me what's the meaning of mabait?
Mabait is... Wait. Okay. You know, mabait is... Wait lang.
Ano? Mabait. You're so very...
Wait lang. Ayan
You're
ang pa
so
na mabait. What is mabait?
Makalod.
Wala.
Mabait.
Ay, mabait is... English. Mga sungsung.
Hindi trans.
Where are you from?
I'm from Tanzania.
Cantonia? Sida.
Canada kasi
Ay,
yun.
Canada?
No, no, no. I'm using VPN. I live in Italy.
Natiplikan kasi yun.
Ano, wait lang ha. I gonna search what is what is English in mabait. Because I don't know what is English of mabait.
Mabait.
Because, yeah, I don't know what is mabait. Mabait is caring mo.
Hindi man.
I cannot give her. I didn't know, no.
Caring a giver?
No, no.
What is...
Ano?
Wait, can I
Just a
wait?
minute. For a second.
Translation of English. Mabait. Wait lang ha. Kind. Mabait is kind.
Okay, mabait. Mabait.
Kind.
What is the other word? You said
Mabait.
Mabait is kind in English. Kind.
kind. Okay. What is the other word? You say
Botay.
botay. What is botay?
Yeah, botay.
Hindi mag-English.
I don't know how to English that, pero botay is pogi. You're so handsome.
Pogi, ano pogi.
Yeah, you're so bahota eh.
Buhata? What is that?
Bahota eh.
Bahot tayo is mabaay ka na.
Buhatay.
Sansa.
Matay ka niya.
Sabi kita nagkakampungan namin.
Where's like maganda? Buhatay.
Maganda.
Yeah.
Maganda is beautiful.
Buhatay is for men.
Yeah.
Okay, marunong salamat.
What other word? Ano, you know, ay, sa tawag ano sa
I know how to say.
Kabalikan ng Tagalog.
Ilang taong ka na?
I'm
Ilang taon ka na?
25.
25.
Yeah.
And you? You 25?
Yes.
Really?
Yes. Yeah.
Really? That's very, very true.
She looks really young. And what about you?
I'm 24.
Wow, your friend looks like she's 16.
Yes, like a baby fish.
Because Filipino is like love baby face.
Baby face. Very good.
Yeah.
So,
You know what is word baby face?
yes, baby face. Face
Yeah,
like a
you know
baby.
that.
Yeah.
Baby mo.
That's good.
What do you, anong trabaho mo?
You have a family? No, not right.
Po.
What?
Anong trabaho mo?
I think you're Filipino.
Me? I look like
Yes.
Filipino?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How?
You have a Filipino?
You're Tagalog.
What?
Why do you know
Why
English?
do you know how to Tagalog?
Why do you speak English? Are you English?
Because Filipino can't speak English.
Yeah.
But English.
Cannot speak in Tagalog.
Why? You
And
study English?
Filipino is can study about English.
Yes, it's normal for Filipino.
It's
to
also
know how
normal
to speak
for
English.
English people to like Tagalog and Chinese.
How do you know Tagalog?
Because I like the
What other
language.
word you know Tagalog?
What?
What other word? What other word I know in Tagalog?
Yeah.
Time.
Marunong ka ba magluto?
You are Filipino.
I am Filipino.
You're
Because of
Filipino.
Yeah. Are you half a Filipino?
No.
You visit in Philippines?
Never.
Never. Why?
Because I've never been there.
How you know? How you know to
want
speak in English?
Do you want to go in Philippines?
Yes, sure.
I will buy you passport.